Here we have a circle C of center A and radius 2 units. And we have this line. We want to know the relative position between these two objects. In fact, the relative position between a circle and a line relies on the distance between them compared to the radius. What is the distance between this circle C and this line? In fact, it is the distance between the center and the line. It is AE. So AE is the distance between the circle and this line. If the distance is greater than the radius, as you see here, the distance AE is 4 units and the radius is 2, then the line is said to be exterior to this circle. Also, here, if the distance, for example, is equal to 3 units, it is still greater than the radius, then HE line is exterior to the circle, having the rule distance greater than the radius. What if the distance is equal to the radius? If the distance AE is equal to the radius, then the line HE is tangent to the circle, is said to be the tangent, and it touches the circle at one point called the tangency point. It is where the 90 degrees relies. So when we have a tangent, it touches the circle at one point called the tangency point, and it is where the angle 90 relies between the radius and the tangent. So the angle between the radius and the tangent is 90 degrees at the tangency point. What if the distance is less than the radius? Here the distance AE is equal to 1 and the radius is 2. So the distance is less than the radius, so HE line is said to be secant. The secant cuts the circle at 2 points. Okay, so we have 3 cases for the relative position between a circle and a line. Either secant, where the distance is less than the radius, or tangent, where the distance is equal to the radius, and we have a 90 degrees between the radius and the tangent. This is very important. And the tangent and the circle touches at only one point. And we have the third case where the line is exterior to the circle with no intersection point and the distance is greater than the radius. And keep in mind, the distance should be always perpendicular.